trust me?
Yeah.
Come a little bit closer. What I'm talking about. Can you breathe? Can you breathe? Can you breathe? Can you breathe? You got some moves! That was sensational. I've got a funny feeling you've wiggled before, Jack. But we're not going to leave it there. I've got another surprise for you. I'm going to ask you to sing with us now.
All right.
It's going to be easy. I'll start. I'll sing. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. And then I want you to sing. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Can you do that with us?
Okay.
Let's give us some encouragement, everybody.
And when it's cold outside, get the money made.
Just to say thank you, and can I copy that DVD for you? A pleasure. And Steve Wynn will take you back to your seat. One more round of applause for the crowd.